Yo, what's up, you guys? It's unboxing boy again with the video, guys. Today I'm gonna unbox Russell Hobbs mini chopper, and guys, it's actually great. Guys, we get a chopper in a small size. Wow, the bigger ones are like this, like they are so big. They are like extremely big, but this one is a mini chopper, and actually it's for my mom, and I took it for unboxing, so I took permission from her to unbox it. She told you can. So 500 volt with 316 usable capacity, 700 watt of power, safety locking lid, removable of stainless steel blades, push button operation for ease of use, mini chopper, and you can see their website, Facebook and Twitter. And this side is same, same, same. So let me unbox it. Okay, sorry. So let me unbox it. So guys, when we unbox it, we get a user manual and a warranty card, I think. Yep, warranty card and a user manual. So who cares about this? Let's throw it. Yeah, let's throw it. So let me take out the machine itself. The beast, everything I unbox is beast for me. So let's take out the beast itself. Oh, what's over here? Oh, it's actually a cardboard protection, guys. Nothing is, I think nothing is inside it. Yeah, nothing is inside it, guys. It's actually a cardboard protection. Inside, we get some protection. We get more protection from scratches and protection for the plug. Oh my god, guys! For mini chopper, they have protected like it's a, like it's a actually it's a beast. They have protected protect. Sorry, guys, I cannot pronounce words because, guys, it's I make videos at uh midnight, and guys, 8:30 a.m. it's my e-learning classes, and I'm busy, so I cannot make videos due to coronavirus. So we don't go to school in UAE, so that's the problem. So don't mind my words. So let's unbox it. So guys, when we unbox it, we get this protected with a cardboard, and it's wrapped up with it's taped. The cardboard is taped, and plug is inside, and we get some plastic protection. Let's take out the machine. Sorry, the chopper. So guys, this is the chopper. This is the button, I think. It is the button, and it's kind of very it's kind of it's lightweight, guys. It's not heavy. So protection tapes, guys, all the way. Everything is taped inside. I think there's a thermocol. Yeah, it's thermocol, and stainless steel blades. If you guys can see, I zoomed it, and a logo of Russell Hobbs, looking very cool. Down we get some made in China, and some QC03 pass, QR code. Bro, guys, this is so like this is not a common sense. Like, who will take it? Who will do it? Who will do the? Sorry guys, don't mind my words. I told you the reason. Who will take his machine chopper and put it in the kitchen in the water and use it? So dumb. 50 to 60 hertz, 70 watt. Guys, wait, 70 watt. Let me show you one thing. Yeah, guys, 70 watt, 70 watt. I thought the on the box it was written 80 watt, but I was wrong. I want, guys, I want to own it and use it, because I don't have the permission to use it, but I only have the permission to unbox it. So guys, please subscribe to the channel. And guys, you think I'm ending the video? No, I'm not. I have a special mystery unboxing after this. Okay, in this video, let me pause the video and let me set it up. Let me take all this, let me keep in the box, then I'm gonna bring that mystery item. So guys, this is the mystery item, my new Puka shoes. Oh wow, my new Puka shoes, guys. I'm gonna unbox it. I already unboxed it. I'm just gonna wear it. I'm just gonna show you guys. There's the tag, model name, crystal, more color, and let's wear it and show you guys. Guys, some protection for shoes, and let us see. Let us wear it and see. So guys, this is how it looks. Shoes in my feet. It looks amazing, and I loved it. This was my mystery unboxing. Bye bye. See you later. Subscribe and like the video. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye.